Hello everyone, welcome back. So this is how I used to be when I first started makeup, and this is where I am now. I never knew how important it is to prep your skin with makeup mist, face primer that will enable your foundation and all other things to sit appropriately, and then to cover your eyebrow with powder before outlining it, bringing out the shape of your eyebrow, or even forming the shape that will suit your facial structure appropriately. I've learned to use concealer to outline my eyebrow and to use as eyelid primer before applying my eyeshadows. It's a long way. I've learned about transition color, I've learned about base color and crease color, and how important it is to blend all the colors smoothly before you move on to the next thing, eyeliner and your mascara, before you then move on to your foundation. I have learned to use different shade, the appropriate shade for my face along the way. I also got to know how important it is to blend the foundation smoothly and use concealer that is 1 to 2 shades lighter than your skin color to highlight all the areas on your face that are lighter than every other part, and apply it at the right places under the eyes. Then I am able to set the under eye with loose powder or even compact powder, whatever it is available to me, I use. When it comes to nose outline, this I am still struggling with, but I know that I wasn't even aware that it is possible before. So as it is, I am getting better. I am not there yet. All right. So it's better than how it used to be, and I know it's going to be better as time goes on. Of course, it is also important to set every other part of your face with the appropriate powder, shade of powder. At this point, I apply my makeup with ease, because at this point, the moment I get to see the outcome of my makeup, it brings smile to my face. Like, I am so happy because I know that this is different from who I was before. This is a competition between my old self and my new self. My new self is better, way better now than my old self, and I'm grateful. It wasn't easy. It was a challenge. It was a struggle, but I'm here now and I'm grateful. All right? I am grateful. I know about bronzer to bring out the shape of my cheekbone. Everything I'm learning, I'm sharing it along the way. One of the things I love the most about makeup is blush. Like, I love blush. Like, I don't even know how to call it. And there it is: lipstick, lip gloss, lip liner. So many things, so many ranges, so many different things that you can use to make your lips to appear so beautifully well shaped. And I've come to realize that I love nude color the most. I am yet to try red lipstick. Every other color aside from nude color, that I'm sure I am going to get to, very soon. But this is where we are now, and this is how far I have come. I am loving my progress. I am happy. I have learned a lot, and I have shared all that I have learned, documenting my journey. When it comes to makeup, I started without using my glasses. Like, I have learned the other areas that I am not able to do without the glasses, like the eyebrow area and the lipstick. So here we are now. We are looking tush. We are looking beautiful. And yeah, what do you guys think? So if there's anything I would love to say at all is to say thank you to my subscriber, especially those that came to my channel because of my makeup. I appreciate it. I love you guys because you motivated me. My first makeup video was a disaster to me. I thought it was a disaster to me. I thought I needed a whole lot of things to move on, to start off, but as it is, I didn't, and I am here. I am grateful. Thank you for your support. All right, Merry Christmas, you all. Merry Christmas. I wish you a peaceful day, wonderful Christmas, and a whole lot of fun. Okay, so I do a lot of this at the end of my makeup videos. Love every one of you. Thank you so much, guys. I appreciate it. Bye.